Welcome on top another episode of the ChookMouthGeng. And my name still remains A to the D to the A. Ada, the only girl who say have you today won't stress. Don't think oh my God. Jeez. Okay, and I get with me Papi spending
in dollars. You know what my story is already everywhere now. I mean, they spend the money for all the fine girls. If you're not fine, maybe I'll just give you discounted promo.
Oh, them may work.
Oh, work.
And I get, of course, Irabor himself, the producer, presenter extraordinary of the movie road show of Nigeria Info. How you doing, Irabor?
I did, Ada. Great to be here.
Okay, welcome. In front of me, Prince himself, royalty. Welcome, His Royal Highness, the voice behind Wako Review. How you doing?
I did. How I did now?
All of us gather, we did fine. I just wonder why they so calm. What's with the vibe?
Now, so Prince they do.
Then they shout at me. When time to reach to choose made in for village now, there I go. You
get that kind of
All right, now we go dig into Nollywood.
Okay, be farmer now.
Yes, now you make us sit down here to dig into Nollywood, and I did glad say I get two kajad. Papi spend, you know I see him.
Yes, very heavyweight now.
We go pieces some kind things.
First man, he get level, he get mad for movies.
Now we know him now for street that year. I want to ask one very important question. You go agree or you go disagree? Say Nollywood, their storyline. You get that CB, they get bad storyline. I'll start with you, Prince.
See, to be honest, when it comes to like Nollywood, I always say, will they try? To be honest, because like if I want to ask you, tell me one story where you want to do, where person for Nigeria never do, you go hard. Okay,
but make a pause again. Papi spending alpha Nollywood storyline for you, good or bad?
I'll say on the average.
You did average for you?
Yes, because I feel like we know the way we did before, although we never reach where we won't go.
Okay.
Just like it talk, it is hard to find genuine, creative, original idea.
Okay.
Most of it we get now replication.
Okay.
Or maybe like just duplication of original ideas we don't do in the past. So I believe we know the way we did before and we don't move forward. So I'll stay on the middle.
Yeah. Remember what of you?
Move forward.
Nollywood storyline, good or bad for you?
I go say good though.
Okay.
Progressing
Why?
self. The thing be say like Prince talk, we they try honestly because support no today. Structure no today. Yeah. Things where you expect me don't already day, day. But despite all those things, people still they bring out content. Sure, you get so. But me say because of all that me still they bring out rubbish. Yes. You get some rubbish content where they were not supposed to even day. But I go say good because a lot of people they were they creative, where get sense, where did this industry, and you don't they show because our film don't they go outside.
All right. Sure. And with all this is when I don't talk, it go make me drop the topic. Now we want to talk about Nollywood storyline and not so good casting, because it gets some kind of movies where we say I personally I don't watch, and I don't, from people where I don't follow talk, but when we don't talk about movies, you can't think and say if they put so person instead of so person, it will make sense. Now, for example, some people do have the opinion for Blood Sister, I use Blood Sister, that Kate Henshaw part where she acts, Udwak. Say if they put, for example, like a Shafi Bello there, she go kill her more. Now still person opinion. So now I go ask, at the tram open now, Nollywood casting. Wetin you think? You think that they always put the right people where deserve role, and then why be say it can't be like say favoritism they enter into their casting and it they affect the output later on. Remember, I will start with you.
Yes, because say if you hear the word now show business.
Okay.
Business now ain't be the thing where take end. As much as you dey show, you must make money from the thing. So people they rely on those box office names, even if the characterization no merge with the actual actor. But you just know say, okay, this thing go sell, it go far. Although those people go even don't get followers too.
Okay.
Sure, again, why you get all these skit makers, comedians, all those online guys, they enter film. So they don't really care. They just want to make money, make the returns, because investors don't put money inside this thing. Because at the end of the day, regardless of how you want to look them, if person don't like them, if person like them, if they make money. So now their priority be that. But I agree with you. They talk. They go good to characterize properly.
But the end this thing to make. Don't be like say, okay, make I just push this thing, make I shall make my money. I don't care. Okay, what do you want to talk?
It's what I want to talk. If he shake a table, but I go talk.
No, shake everything.
The reason why we they get the casting problem now because most of these actors and producers and directors then they knock.
Oh.
Okay.
Now anybody where ready to put body down and go podcast, whether the person they good for the role or not. You know what I'm talking about now? Even from the grassroots
defend this one for court.
even from the grassroots of skit making, some of these people they no fit for this role. Now because they put body down to run the matter.
And yeah, that one deal he did, but aside is more of the money. Because
So now men now they pay money, woman they
no,
What
na
could
more of
you
the
do?
money.
I don't think say okay if you say for the east, that one
For
dey
the
happen.
east.
That one they happen regularly.
Why you really take on to the east?
Because people, I'm Igbo, so I can say this.
No. I
you
like
get
to
the
put the
five fine
topic
girls for
proof.
the east. I
No,
go there.
people in the east they are hustling, so it might happen there. But I don't think it's happening.
No,
It's happening. It's
anyhow.
happening everywhere. It's happening everywhere. But
More
Lagos
concentration on the
yeah more.
So wait, the knocking for role, he say full east where
A
way?
full east.
It's still full Lagos. It's still full Lagos Nollywood.
Lagos will be the,
No,
the land of commercial
I know
business.
Greece say it's small. I dey Lagos. I dey see how it dey happen sometimes. No be only small.
It's for me.
I
I
go
feel
agree
it's small.
say it dey even happen for different sectors. No be only even Nollywood. Now something where they prevalent for across say sex for roles or sex for this or sex for anything like it dey workplace, it dey everywhere. But my own be say now how you go manage them or now how you want make your production company take they known. You understand?
Okay.
If you know you as this producer where
For example, now me, I be skit maker. You guys see my content.
We've seen
I
it.
get plenty girls for DM now where they show me some things. I say no. If you see what they show me,
so how you dey
With
fight
the
how
front with the front yard and the backyard.
you dey fight the temptation?
Thank you very much. No, I'm a child of God. I'm a son of a pastor, a living God I serve.
You don't need to drop all your CV. Just answer.
So me, what I they do? I they ensure say I follow the yardstick of characterization.
Okay.
The yardstick there. If you not fit in, if you get yash, I no go put you
But
there.
Mark, make I ask you this question now. Make it be say you just get one person where don't they see your skit where be person where get money.
Yes.
In can say papi, I dey like your content to take this 100 million, make you go shoot film. But I want make it be say A, B, C, D people they inside.
They
Which
inside
thing
the
you
movie.
go talk?
If
and the people
you
know,
agree,
and you know as the producer and everything, so the people
you
know
see,
fitting.
you see my point now. Now the thing be that.
now there we go let you know say we can train actors and we can build characters.
You see my point. But so you see now what I mean.
Ability
Now money
is
they-
different from ability.
So with
Nah,
everything when I
money
don't
dey drive
talk, come say
everything.
everything still boils down to the money. I just want to make the money, so I don't care. And now you can't be like saying, "I make most times when they release this movie, they first of all put things out there. Say for example, some movie they come outside, Blood Sister for example. Now I don't know, maybe now because now the last movie I don't see, now make me the hammer on Blood Sister, the hype, everything, everybody they wait for that day. Almost as it drop like the pakam. Downloading things, and when we watch and finish, many people can they find loopholes, can they find some kind things where this thing no make sense, it no make sense. Why we say Nollywood movie at the end of the day, no they impress the audience. What cool? How far?
To be honest, I think say like Nigerian audience, we are two sports. We have comparison. We compare a lot. So, like name one movie that came out that everybody loved without an issue. Or a series.
King of Thieves.
King of Thieves.
King of Boys.
King of Boys
King of
too.
Thieves.
They-
King
I
of
love
Boys
King of Thieves.
with the how did Makanaki
I don't want
come
a
back?
limited series King of Boys. No.
Okay, you meant
No,
the
the
movie.
first-
No, I don't want limited series
well, you
King
meant
of
the
Boys. I
movie.
mean the movie.
The movie,
That
the
one.
first
Although
part.
Okay.
there'll be some technical things here and there, but overall, that King of Boys first
Okay,
one.
yes, it was very good.
It was very good.
Even the second was good, but I just believe our audience, we always look like it's the same way we used to look at AMVCA's dressing.
Dressing. Okay?
Most of us we no go even dress reach these people, but we can disregard their dressing anyhow. So I feel you are not wrong, but I just feel our audience were hard on us. We're our hardest critic.
So you feel saying at the fault of the audience, say they
Sometimes.
need to enjoy
Yes.
the movie at the end of the
Yes.
day. Papi, what do you think?
I just believe say expectation dey too high
Yes.
from the audience.
Okay.
For example, now you get small picking. You promise am aeroplane. Last na car you buy for am. And then also we understand say everybody with the music music today, man.
Movie.
Industry.
Exactly.
They want sell market. Now the hype they need to sell market.
Okay.
So last if you meet expectation, you know meet expectation. The coco na say box office sales, it dey marginalized enough to return back the investment, the principal, where they take shoot the movie. So me, I don't go blame them. I go just talk, say, expectation day too high. Yes, indeed, because market got set. You guys pay your cast. You guys pay all the equipment, all the cameraman, both the one from the trenches,
Okay.
like the one with the front of us, and the one from the tush part area. You get the point now?
Yeah.
Okay, Irabor, what do you get to say
I
about why
mean,
audience they impressed at the end of the day?
The thing be say different audience, different platforms, different ways where they see certain things. Me, I believe say the cinema audience they different from the Netflix audience.
Okay,
They
that's
different from
streaming
the
audience.
Africa Magic audience.
Okay.
Yes.
They different from the Iroko audience.
Okay.
They different from the Asaba audience.
Okay.
So all these audiences get different things where they look out for. Those people they watch Netflix, they expect say film supposed to get sense for them to don't reach that side.
So don't reach that level exactly.
You understand? Cinema, everybody just want to go catch trips, come up for house, carry babe, go chop popcorn, go ahead. So some of them don't really care. Now only those where, like us here now, where now somewhat our work, where we they look say, Wako go look film now, I go break and down.
Sam.
You understand? Me if I go look film, I go say, why they don't use lights for here or something? And people like us and our people where like film like that. But some people they just they go to catch cruise. But the thing we say, I don't get any issue with film where they hype because you must hype.
Yes.
In the hype.
No, you must hype.
Okay.
But the thing be say, waiting you they hype now be the cocoa.
Exactly, like the hype. What with that movie, Chief Daddy 2.
Chief Daddy too. So if we one day constructive and objective, I shall say them for Ebony Life self no say that Chief Daddy 2. In as much as they do hype for that film where everybody watch them,
I don't even know
that
if
same
they
everybody still give them bad reviews. Say omo, if not like this one I want to do, we not like them. That is why they can't hype these Blood Sisters. Over hype and still they hype them. Now redemptive effort for them. Where come no shade. I did talk true.
As it be,
then do well with this one. So if na so we want to release this film like Blood Sisters, good, I happy.
Okay.
But enough for tell well for their brand. If they release another film like Chief Daddy
like
2,
Chief
it can be
Daddy
hype.
2.
So that next hype where they go do, nobody go really send.
Okay,
Like
okay.
that.
I'm talking about Blood Sister, but don't to mention them. I want me could just Wako review. I check your YouTube and I see how you break them down.
Did you finish it?
I never finish them. I
know.
never finish them. I never finish them. But so I would like to hear. In fact, are you sweet? Are they hearing directly from the the horse's mouth? Okay.
But it might not be like us.
No, you could tell me waiting at the sea. Okay, waiting be your thorough, non-biased opinion of Blood Sisters.
To be honest, Blood Sisters tried.
Okay.
They tried very well. I did not like the ending, but every other thing leading to it, they tried.
Every other thing.
Yes, I'm being serious. Like
The part where they bury the body and they honor the lights down. You follow for every other thing.
you guys see waiting and they bury now.
No, seriously.
Bam.
They
Oh,
bury
sorry.
something.
More off lights for you and for that one.
Nobody's been buried yet.
More they talk well.
They bury
But-
something.
Yes,
You they
yes.
bury body of person where you kill. You're not supposed to they discreet and cover. You can't on car light
Did-
every they shine. That part where they
Was it
bury.
from the car? Was it car?
Yes,
light,
now
like,
car light. I they talk waiting I no see. Car light they on.
but that's the only explanation for lights to be there. Because if light just there from nowhere, you go.
Nowhere.
So I see bright like
Because
that.
most times those kind of scenes
But-
they probably do it at stadiums. Then it explains why the light is there.
You know still sit well with me. I no go lie you.
No. Element of film they enter something
Yes.
sometimes.
Well, maybe
And
I never really understand them, but
I get
no
what
sit
the other
well
they
with me.
talk. Expectation they say because they do something with the diabolic. Sorry, evil. So you go guys won't do one for darkness. Another
Yes.
flop for the movie where I go like mention that instance where they won't kill. No, when they don't already kill the guy. When I think they did bathroom where they come to shake. There was a little bit of comic, which I think was
I
not
also
necessary.
mentioned it. Yes, yes.
Which was not necessary. I don't think that was necessary. Another thing where I think in a flop for that movie, the ending. If I say they rush him, where everybody
they
did.
in the haste to finish.
Yes, people say it cast don't tire, and they get other movie where they want to go attend.
But now you
So
see that
maybe-
this we talk about audience expectation.
Yes,
It differ.
they the most important part where everybody don't they do review on top. Now when they chase the guy through the chef, what do they call that place? When they cook,
Kitchen.
the kitchen. Look at that. The first
at
thing,
that.
no, look at it now. In they walk through all the chefs, nobody stop them. Nobody even feels say something's wrong in here. What's going on here?
During that beginning time. But now, now, if you see pata for inside the
yes,
for inside
And
kitchen,
again-
you want stop
not
am.
even so because like if you take it, be say like na wedding, those chefs are hired. They have no rights
To
no,
even
but they
talk.
have no rights to stop anybody.
But
They
if
can-
you see an intrusion for where you dey cook food, my brother, where then the squeeze face like person wey top it and leave, we no go stop am because you go believe say some of this fish is going on
I
here.
will still ask Irabor in opinion about Blood Sister, but I know why they tackle you because say
Okay,
every
they
other
tackle
team
me.
went where. The part where an assassin they come kill person for a wedding.
Oh,
You're not supposed to wear like a traditional outfit, dress like the rest of the people who come to the wedding. You can't wear leather jacket.
No, na hotel.
So, even at that, you come. I don't know. I know they.
Okay.
Now your opinion.
Okay,
I just
no, I
just
get you, I get
state
you.
my own. You come wedding to kill somebody.
Yes.
You wear leather jacket, black. Very, very obvious. You stand out. It dey obvious say something is not right to this person. And you don't even blend. Straight face. You know the gangster. I'm ready to kill look. You just they give throughout the whole thing. And no person raise any eyebrow like who be this kind of person. You just it was so obvious.
American film, if
personally,
they won't kill you, they go first smile with you. You know, in a disgust, then they do.
you don't kill before.
This one, no, I watch very well. Another smart way for even kill that guy. Now just to put the poison for him drink. It's very, very simple.
But
nah.
the movie no go continue. You
No,
understand?
no, but
It's-
I understand.
No, but the
Yeah.
guy died last. If you talk about continuity, the guy died last for the chung chung tak tak.
You not even last.
No, Prince, wait till she they talk, we say, wait till I understand though. Wait till she
Yes.
talk and say, even that assassin self in characterization no even reach
Thank
that,
The assassin
that,
na
that
Mumu.
length.
The assassin na Mumu number one.
Because he
He
carry
no
gun,
sabi
he
fight.
carry gun, he carry hammer, carry everything.
Because as per say you want kill person for that kind of gathering, you suppose disguise or
Yeah.
blend in.
You
Don't be say you
get.
just come like person will just come out for Oshodi.
Imagine say in a chef or in can serve or in a butler, he can serve the thing, he can put the
She
poison on top.
understand.
That's a
But
Who's the
then
director?
again,
But then again,
female
the
element
girls
dey
no
inside.
go run.
She
I
understand.
don't get
Your
waiting
film-
Wako talk. Then again, waiting.
The
Sorry.
girls no go run because the girls no kill the guy.
and now they come dey on the
Series
run.
series don't end.
I know day after whether Nahin go kill the guy or the. I talk about the blending
Characterization of the guy.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
you
you know
don't
say-
blend.
but
It
the-
is so obvious. Say an unwanted guest day for that premises.
No, but you know say na hotel.
Uh-huh.
That was like the reception.
They try to create person a hotel
Yes, na
environment.
hotel environment because the guy come
Uh-huh.
other room or wetin they do. He go in room come dismantle everything. He now came downstairs. He was going through looking at CCTV. Do you understand? So it was a hotel reception. They were inside.
But the place. You know, this sit well with me. Make I
understand.
Irabor, abeg, tell us your own opinion about the movie. I know say you don't see him.
And na very redemptive effort, like I talk. You
Okay.
know, I happy say them. I happy.
Everybody
I,
like
I wish Nollywood well. I'm always after them doing great content.
Okay. Yes.
Because it will now help us who are talking about it to beat our chest outside and say, yes, Nollywood makes sense. So I happy say them bring out this film and limited series, sorry. And the characterization of certain characters, Inidima, Nancy Sime, even most especially one of my favorite characters now, Ramsey Noah, you know. Yeah.
Sorry, I still don't understand the role of. Thank you. I still don't understand the role of Ramsey for that movie. Why use Ramsey as a trusted bodyguard? I feel say
happen?
Ramsey you get some kind of thing where I feel say you don't pass.
So that's the thing. He never passed. Now actor, if then tell him make he be beggar, if he fit the role and if he do him, he's making do him. Now the thing be that no levels for this kind.
What
thing.
other role you forgive?
Do you
Ramsey Noah?
understand?
Eh?
Which other role you forgive Ramsey Noah?
You know go even there for the movie.
No, I
No,
disagree.
but that is in levels no day for
Levels
that kind
no
of thing
dey for
because
that kind
everybody
thing.
wey dey there na
Levels no
established actor.
Yeah, everybody where they like established actor. Even Oke Ozueshi, now still established actor where do photographer where they still kill with
Yes.
car. She understand. So my own be say, just like you they ask us about content, even if they call who be the biggest actress now, they call her Meryl Streep, all those people where they Hollywood, they do film where some of them now 5 minutes they last for inside this thing and they go come out. Now say you do and well and you fit the role.
Okay.
Now my own be that.
Okay, thank you. And I think I just quickly drop this one. Recently, waiting be the which movie you don't watch where you say this is now like one of the worst movies I don't watch.
For Nollywood.
For Nollywood, of course, Nollywood. Which movie? Irabor,
Accent
bless it.
first,
I don't know. No, I go
This one don't print like 10 for me head now.
Movies where you go say, make I ask like three worst movies for you.
Hey,
in
accent
recent
first.
why you dey point out? You
Actually,
know my friend.
I go dey think, I go dey think as you
okay,
talk.
Irabor, they don't try to you. Three
And
worst
this
movies
thing where
recent
the
times.
answer, I did talk am objectively.
Okay.
Objectively. And I go tell you why I feel say now worst. And I like say they don't make improvement with the limited series Blood Sisters. The first worst movie, because now the first one where I watched this year, now Chief Daddy 2.
Okay.
Now, see, my own be say,
Don't relax.
if you get opportunity,
Okay.
resources, money, everything to just make, and you get linked with star actors, I go expect say you look into the storyline. Chief Daddy 2 to me, make am.
No make am.
He no make am. I know like the film. He no make am. And I dey talk am objectively. Now still me where last year for my show I talk say Mo Abudu na my person of the year because she get like 9 different studio deals with different people abroad.
Okay.
Now fit where no dey easy. She don't dey have her business school. She don't dey Emmy. She don't dey Oscar. I mean like great thing, but I go still critique. I want to say that film. Now one of
Okay,
the,
now so because of time, just drop the remaining 2.
I don't get any 2 for
Okay,
now.
so
Now just that one.
Chief Daddy really top am for you.
Yeah, now that
Same
one.
thing. I concur with him. Chief
Chief
Daddy.
Daddy,
2. Yeah.
you know what that movie day was for you.
Chief Daddy 2.
Wako review.
Terrible.
I don't know if you think of anyone. I don't.
You know if you think of
I
anyone
think they run
moment.
for office now.
I
Wako
don't
review.
No, I miss you. I
You don't collect money by the sun. What's going
I don't
on?
think of anyone at the moment.
So Chief Daddy did good for you.
I did not watch it. So
Okay,
I
you
did
don't
not
watch
two.
am.
So I did not watch
One or
it.
two. You know what one
I
and
watched
two?
one, but I did not
Okay,
watch
no
two.
watch 2. So now I get why you just
Yeah.
did like you don't see Man of God.
This man
Yeah, I
don't
saw
collect.
Man of God. Man of God was okay.
Okay for
It
you.
was okay.
This man don't collect money.
I know
He don't collect money
I
for
don't
film.
collect money.
Man of God self.
And if you go drop
It
one
gets
word
you
for
an issue.
Nollywood producer, just one word, what it go be for you?
Make them continue to they do it and they do, but try to they innovate, collect from outside.
Okay.
Now the only advice I think I figured that.
Okay.
Innovate, right?
Yes.
Me, I go tell them say, make them send me billing. I pay for it. Papi spending. I get money where I know they use it. I help them with their production.
Okay. Irabor.
I go give them 3.
Okay.
Capacity building, networking,
Okay.
prayer.
Nice one.
And I see that one. Pray and I top am all for us. See, thank you very much. Say you join us to Irabor and of course to Wako Review.
You
Say
know, go thank
join
me.
us. I want to thank you for. I know if we get house. Okay, but thank you to Irabor, Papi Spending, to Wako Review. So you join us on top of this episode of ChookMouthGeng, and every so someone who don't drop Nollywood producers go get more sense. No say. Audience expectation they different, but still if majority they go the same direction, you go know say something they wrong and they improve on them. So the reason I get to say thank you so much till we meet again on top ChookMouthGeng. Nothing serious,
Just vibes.
Thanks.